Hey guys, long time no see, it's Mike Chen and welcome to my kitchen. I don't know why like even a digital channel, even a digital space, that sometimes even conjures up so much nostalgia. It's good to be back. Anyway, the recipe I'm gonna show you guys today, please try this out. I think I say this about all my recipes, but oh, this is a good one. This is a good one and it's so incredibly easy. It's so incredibly customizable. You're gonna love this. I'm sure most people by now have tried the Buldak noodles, the spicy chicken noodles. These are popular everywhere. This is the regular spicy, this is the 2-time spicy. In this recipe, you can use either one, but if you really like your heat, if you really want a swift Chuck Norris kick in the mouth, this is what you use. You could also get the sauce in a bottle. It makes this much easier, but since I don't, I'm gonna use whatever comes in a pack of these noodles. Other ingredients. Now, this is where you can be really creative and customize your dish to whatever flavors you like. I have a couple of scallions. I have 1 Chinese lapchan sausage, a few ounces of oyster mushrooms, 1 egg, and a half a cup of rice and my rice cooker. You don't need a stove. You don't need a pan. Just need this to make the ultimate perfect spiciest, tastiest fried rice you've ever had. Again, like I said, customizable. If you want to add potatoes instead of mushrooms, or substitute it with some onions or green peppers, red peppers for some color, whatever you want to put in there, it's okay. Add it. It's gonna come out amazing. And most importantly, it's gonna come out super, super spicy. Let's get to cooking. First up, chop up your ingredients. And I'm only gonna use the white part of my scallions. I'm gonna use the green part as garnish a little later. I highly recommend putting a protein in there, whether that's tofu, whether that's any sort of meat. Spam would have been a really amazing choice. If you never had a Chinese lapchan before, it's amazing. It's one of my favorite sausages on this planet. Just dice it all up. After you do all that, get your rice cooker. Rice goes in. Make sure you give it a nice wash. Add all your ingredients in. My mushrooms, the sausage, and the white parts of the scallions. Next up, add a cup of water. And really, this is a 1-person serving. So if you want to make more than this, double the recipe. Now, this is my favorite part. Open one of these things up. And again, if you want to feel a little less of the burn, feel free to use this. I love using this though. So there's 2 sauce packs inside. One with the spice and the flavor, the other some seaweed and sesame. I'm gonna save this for later. Go ahead and add that burning red sauce into your pot of rice and vegetables. Add that all in. Give it a nice mix so all the vegetables and rice is touching that heat. This thing's not even plugged in yet. Already feeling it heating up. And guys, that's really all there is to it. Put the lid on the rice cooker, plug it in, turn it on, and just whatever you want to do. Go take a nap, go take a bath, go take a shower, go cuddle with your significant other, whatever you're doing at the moment. You're gonna want to rush back and open that rice cooker. Oh, that smells good. Whew. I just want to make sure I still have my eyebrows. That is a puff of spicy steam. Mix it up. Oh, this is perfect. Rice is glistening, covered in that delicious spicy sauce. I can smell the sausage, the scallions. I'm salivating so much right now. The ratio I gave you guys is absolutely perfect. Try it exactly like that. Beautiful sauce covering every grain of rice, the shrooms, the scallions, the sausage. How many you don't want to take a bite of this right now? Ah, so good. That is so spicy, but so good. Wow. Oh my gosh. Woo! Like I said, if you're not a serious, and by serious, I mean at least a black belt in spice eating, do not try with the 2-time spicy. Go for this instead. Oh, that is goying. Goying is a term in Chinese we use to say when a food item is extremely satisfying. That's extremely satisfying. And the dish could end right here. It's an amazing dish already, but we're gonna do something just a little bit extra that's gonna make this even better. Gonna put a hat on top. And by hat, I mean a creamy liquid waterfall kind of hat. Ballads should be written about how good that is and how easy that was to make. That's all there is to it. Put everything into a rice cooker, hit the button, and just prepare to be dazzled. Highly recommend a runny egg hat on top of this immaculately spicy fried rice. The cream factor 100% complements the spiciness of the rice. The little crunch from the scallions and the mushroom, that course, that umami-filled, fatty lapchang Chinese sausages ties everything together. One of the best bowls of fried rice you can find anywhere. How easy was that? Again, so customizable. If you don't like lapchang, add some spam, add some tofu. If you're a vegan, whatever you want to put into this bowl, use my recipe. It's gonna turn out amazing. And that is my first recipe in about a year. So hopefully you guys liked it. As always, all the ingredients are listed down below for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we cook again. See you later.